Hello everyone, I am Arpit Kumar Sharma and welcome back to Pably. So today I am going to tell you how you can send Razorpay payment details to your Mattermost channel automatically. Now, why would you need this automation? Suppose someone is buying through your store and he or she is paying by Razorpay payment gateway. Now what will happen? The details of that product which has been bought, that ABC bought a t-shirt, XYZ bought a jeans, those details will be sent to the Mattermost channel, and with those details, the details of the customer which will come from Razorpay will also be sent to the Mattermost channel, where your team will automatically know that the purchase has been made on a Razorpay payment gateway, and also your team will have the access to the details of the customer from that Razorpay payment gateway. Okay, now what we are going to do, we are going to capture a payment from our Razorpay account, and then we are going to send the details, or we are going to send the message using those details to our Mattermost channel by creating a post. Now to do this automation, we are going to use an integration and automation service, Pably Connect, which will help us connect Razorpay and Mattermost together. Now if you want to learn how to do this automation, you have to come with me to the screen. And we are here at our screen. Now what we have to do, we just have to go to the address bar and type in pably.com/connect. And as soon as you will do that, you can see we have been redirected to this page. Now here you have two offers. Sorry, not offer. I'm really sorry. I just read this. You have two options. First one is sign in. Second one is sign up. Now, sign in is when you already have an account, and signing up when you do not have an account. So signing up is absolutely free, and it will only take 2 minutes for you to go and sign up. And with that, we are also giving you 100 free tasks every month, so that you can, practice the workflows that we are teaching you here. Now, what we are going to do, I already have an account here, so I will just go for sign in. This is my account. I'll just log in. And here I will go for access now for Pably Connect. Okay. Now here what I'm going to do, you can see I have so many tasks here and automations. I want to create a new automation. So to create a new automation, I will just go and click on create workflow. And I am going to name this workflow as Razorpay to Mattermost, because this is what we are doing here. Mattermost. Okay. Now you can name it whatever you want to. I'm just naming it this. Now here you can see you have two windows. First one is trigger. Second one is action. Now trigger window is the window where an event is happening at the start of the process. Action window is the window where the final event is happening at the end of the process. So trigger means when this happens, action is do this. So what is happening? Here we are taking the payment from Razorpay account. So the payment details will come here. I will just go for payment captured. And why will payment details come here? Because we are going to use this webhook URL. Now this webhook URL will help us connect our Razorpay account with our Pably Connect account. So what we are going to do, we are going to copy this webhook URL, and then we are going to follow these steps here, which is written. Here it is written that you have to go to your account, then navigate to webhooks. Then you have to add a new webhook and paste this webhook URL. And then you have to select the event from action events payment captured. So let's do this. This is our Razorpay account and I have to log in. So I have already logged in. I do not need to do that again. Oh my God, it is asking me for the password. It never did. Let me do it. Wait a minute. So as you can see, I have used my password. Now it is logging in and it is logged in. So now what we are going to do, as it was written here, log into your Razorpay account and navigate to webhook section available under settings. So we will go here. We will click on settings. Then we will click on webhooks. And here you can see we have so many webhooks. I am going to add a new one. So here I will just paste this webhook URL by copying this and pasting it here. Now you can see we do not want to mess with this field and this field. And from here, we are going to choose payment captured. So we have to find where is payment captured. So this is payment captured, and create webhook. So you can see a new webhook has been created here. Now, whenever we will make something here, or I should say, whenever we will make a payment here in our Razorpay account, an automatic response will be taken in our Pabbly Connect account. Now, let me show you how it's done. I have some payment pages here. And as usual, this one is my favorite one, social media marketing tutorial. I'm just going to copy this and paste it here. Now, when I will fill these fields here, what will happen? The response from these fields will be sent to here in Pabbly Connect. So I'll just go for the name. My name is Arpit. That is my first name. Last name is Sharma. Email is arpitsharma@gmail.com, and phone number is a dummy number. So 98764565354. Now I'm just going to pay card. Now here I'm just going to use a dummy card number. Card holder name is Arpit Kumar Sharma and CVV is something something. Now as you can see, when I will click on success, here I will have an option with the payment successful. And what will happen here in Pabbly Connect account, you can see a webhook response has been received. Here you can see all the details. Arpit Kumar Sharma is the card name. arpitsharma@gmail.com is the Gmail. Arpit and Sharma is the first name and last name, and this is the phone number. So we have successfully connected our Razorpay account with our Pabbly Connect account. Now in the next step, we are going to select Mattermost in our action window. Now what are we going to do? We are going to create a new post on Mattermost. So I will go and click on create a post, and then I will click on connect. Now either you can choose an existing connection or you can go and add a new connection. So I will just go and add a new connection. And here what you have to do is you have to go to the profile icon on the right corner, profile security and personal access tokens. And here you can create a new token. But before that, what you have to do, if you cannot create a new token, there is a problem in your settings. So for that, you have to go here in, system console, integration management, and enable personal tokens, and then click on true. So what I'm going to do, this is my Mattermost account. Here you can see this is my main team, and here I will click on channels, and here you can see the option of system console. So after going to system console, what you have to do is you have to find integrations. So where is integration? So this is integration. Go to integration management. And after going to integration management, you have to click on enable personal tokens. So enable personal access tokens is this. And I have already selected it true here. So if it is not selected true, your automation will not work. So first you have to click it on true and then you have to take the access token. Now from where you are going to find the access token? So we will go to the main page again. Then we will click on here on account. Now here we will go to profile, and here we will click on security, and here you can see personal access tokens. So we are going to click on personal access token, and here it is written no personal access tokens. So what we are going to do, we are going to create a new token here. So create a new token. Token description is Razorpay to Mattermost. So Razorpay to Mattermost is the token description which I am giving here. Save it. Yes, create. And before closing it, do not forget to copy this, because as soon as you will close it, this token will go away. Okay. So just copy it. Access token. Go to Pabbly Connect. Click on this, and this is your access token. Now what you have to do, you have to put the Mattermost URL here. So what is the Mattermost URL? Just go to your Mattermost account. Click on this, and from HTTPS, select it and drag to your mattermost.com. Copy, come back to Pabbly Connect and paste. And you do not need this slash here. So just delete it. Okay. Now click on save. And as you can see, the Mattermost account has been connected to the Pabbly Connect account. Here, just close it. Yes, I have copied the token, and I'm telling you this again, that remember to copy the token, okay? Now here you can see I have three channels: Off Topic, Pabbly Connect, and Town Square, okay? So what I'm going to do is I am going to select a channel here in my Mattermost account in Pabbly Connect, where I want my message to be sent. So this is the channel. So the channel is Pabbly Connect. I am going to send a message in Pabbly Connect. You can see there is no one here and there is no message here. Now, message. So message is, hello team. We have a new user. And now what I'm going to do is I am going to use a technique which is called mapping, and mapping will let me take the data from this window here, and it will let me post the data here in this window without manually copying and pasting anything, or without manually typing. So hello team, we have a new user. Now I'm gonna map my first name and last name. Arpit space Sharma is my last name. So hello team, we have a new user, Arpit Sharma. So I have composed the whole message. I did not write it in front of you to save time. So this is the whole message. And now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go down and I will click on save and send test request, because I do not need the root post ID and field file IDs. Now here you can see we have a new response here. And now when I will go back to my Pabbly Connect account, you can see it is written here, hello team, we have a new user, Arpit Sharma, who bought our digital marketing tutorial course. Tell him, her more about our other courses. These are the details. Now I added him or her, which means that it can be a male or it can also be a female, or I should say he can be a male or she can also be a female. Now let us do it one more time for one more user and let's see what happens. This time I am doing it for Swati Sharma. Email is swatisharma@gmail.com. Phone number is this one, 9876456786. Pay 400 rupees. And now card number is another dummy number again. Card holder name is Swati Sharma and CVV is this. Now pay. And as soon as we will successfully pay this payment, what will happen, and another message will be fired in our Pabbly Connect account. And here you can see, I'm sorry, not Pabbly Connect account, Pabbly Connect channel in Mattermost. So hello team, we have a new user, Swati Sharma, who bought our digital marketing tutorial course. Tell him or her more about our other courses. These are the details. So friends, this is how you can connect your Mattermost and your Razorpay account together, so that whenever a new payment is made in your Razorpay account, the details will be captured from that Razorpay account or Razorpay customer, and a new message will be sent to your Mattermost channel. Okay. Now, if you want to copy this beautiful workflow, you can just go into my description box and you can clone it in your account. But for that, you need to have an account. And to have an account, you need to sign up. And signing up is absolutely free, and it will also give you 100 free tasks every month from our side. So what are you waiting for? Go and sign up now. So thanks a lot for watching our video. I hope you understood everything. Now, if you want any other events to added in our module, what you can do is you can mail us at admin@pabbly.com. If you have any queries regarding this software, you can just ask your queries at this website, at this link. And if you want to check the prices, you can visit here to this link and check the prices of the software. Now, I just want to tell you that automation is a boon for us, and it can change the future. And I will suggest you to take this as quickly as possible, which will ease your task, save your time, and save you a lot of efforts. Thank you.